classwork. What is the first question in a quadrilateral? So nothing but a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 360. So which implies I want to take here a b will be there, a and b will be there, c and d will be there. So a plus b is one side is equal to 360 minus c plus d is another side. And also if you see that here cos a cos b is there, cos a cos b sin c sin d. For which formula we are going to get a cos a cos b? Both will be.
Sir, we can multiply by 2, sir.
Okay, when you multiply by 2,
We'll get 2 cos A cos B, sir. It is in the form of cos x plus cos y, sir.
okay. You want to take LHS, you want to prove that RHS, yes or no? You are taking here LHS and you multiply and dividing with 2 here, 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos A cos B. I want to do another way. You may do in that method also, that is also 100% right. You may do in that pressure, or else you can take like this, and I want to apply cos on both sides. Cos of A plus B is equal to cos of 360 minus C plus D.
Sir, 360 minus theta formula, sir.
Yeah, 360 minus theta. What is cos 360 minus
Sin C plus D.
A?
Sir, cos
Cos
C
of
plus D.
cos theta only, because 36 is even. If it is 27 or 9,
Okay, sir.
okay, no problem. Again here cos of C
Cos of
plus
C plus D.
here cos of A plus B. What is cos A plus B? Cos A, cos B minus sin A sin B. Am I right? Whenever plus becomes minus, here plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Cos C, cos D,
Cos D minus sin C. Sir, minus, sir.
minus, right. In the question they given plus LHS, so this minus sin C sin D take left side. So cos A cos B plus sin C sin D is equal to cos C into cos D plus sin A into sin B. In question, when you observe that question, yeah, cos A cos B plus sin C sin D
Sir,
is
we got
LHS. Nothing but okay. This is the given value. This is clearly equal to sin A sin B plus cos C cos D. Got it? The first option. Okay. First choice you can give to by taking some, by substituting some values. A value, B value. Otherwise, as he said, multiplying dividing with 2 cos A cos B formula you can apply. 2 cos A cos B formula is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Then after again cos A plus B. Okay. Like that. Okay, anyhow, cos A plus B becomes in terms of C plus D, you can write like that. But this is easiest, I think. This is easiest, right? Second one. Okay, why don't you apply here in second one directly cos C minus cos D formula?
Sir, we can use alpha, we can take alpha similarly.
Yes. Alpha as?
If we take 0, it will be more easy, sir.
Okay, your wish. What is the alpha you want to take? 0.
0 degree.
When you take 0, this is 0. You are going to get undefined. 0 by 0 you will get.
Sir,
1 minus 1. Here sin 0 is 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 something by 0.
So then we can take 90 degrees, sir. Then it will be reciprocal.
When you take 90 degrees here, this is 0. 0 into anything 0. There is no 0 option then. Cos 90 is 0. Cos 270 also 0. 3 into 90. No. Because no, he did not given any condition. See, above condition they given like it is quadrilateral, so that sum of the all angles is equal to 360. We might be take. But sometimes we don't know exactly what is the alpha value we need to take. So in that case, why don't you apply directly cos C minus cos D formula? I want to write the cos alpha minus cos 3 alpha as cos 3 alpha, cos 3 alpha minus cos alpha into and sine 8 alpha sine 2
2
alpha
alpha. See.
by sine 5 alpha sine alpha into here. See, actually here cos alpha minus cos 3 alpha, I have written cos 3 alpha minus cos alpha. In the same way here, at last
Cos
cos
6
4
alpha minus 4 alpha.
exactly.
We are taking minus out there.
taking
Minus common step for that goes to be.
yeah minus common, that only. When I take minus common here, cos 6 alpha cos 4 alpha, that's all. I'm taking minus common in numerator denominator, then get cancelled. Now apply here. What about this? Cos C minus cos D.
The
Formula is
minus 2 sin x plus y.
exactly 3 alpha plus alpha by 2. Shall I write directly 3 alpha plus, or else should I write?
We can write 2 alpha.
Okay, we can write directly 2 alpha or else by 2 to sine. Let us write here 3 alpha minus alpha by 2 into C. Here sin C plus sin D 2 sine cos sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus 2 by 2 cos C minus D by 2 all divided by same sin C plus sin D, so 2 sine or cos.
Cancel the 2 now.
Yeah, we can cancel. So 5 alpha minus plus alpha by 2 sine 5 alpha minus alpha by 2. Again cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sine 6 alpha plus 4 alpha by 2 sine 6 alpha minus 4 alpha by 2. 6 alpha. Yeah, anything cancel, student?
The 2, all the 2 will get cancelled.
Okay, we can cancel directly, or else if you want, you can write directly 2, 2. Okay, 2, 2, and this minus also get cancelled. Minus,
Cos 5 alpha plus alpha by 2 and cos 8 alpha minus 2 alpha by 2.
yeah, see student, as you said, 3 alpha plus 4 alpha by 2 means 2 alpha. Am I right? Here this is alpha. This is what? 8 alpha plus 2 alpha, 10 alpha by 2 is 5 alpha. Here it is 3 alpha. Am I right? 5 alpha plus alpha 6 alpha by 2 is 3 alpha. 5 alpha minus alpha is 4 alpha by 2 is 2 alpha. This is 5 alpha. This is alpha. When you observe this, all this will be cancelled. Am I right? Sine 2 alpha, sine alpha, sine 5 alpha, sine 3 alpha by, sorry, here it is cos. cos 3 alpha, sin 2 alpha, sin 5 alpha, sin alpha. So anything will be cancelled
Answer is
here,
1, sir.
get cancelled.
Everything will get cancelled, sir.
Everything get cancelled. It is equal to 1. 1 is the answer. Okay, we can easily expect that 1 or minus 1 is the answer because we don't get 2. Because you know sin c minus sin d 2 will be get, 2 will be get, 2 will be get. Anyhow 2 to 2 to get cancelled. We'll get either 1 or minus 1. First option or second option. But we don't know exactly whether it is first or second. Even we can easily conclude that the first one is correct because you know minus minus get cancelled. Without doing also we can say directly the answer is first. First is the right answer. Okay, third question. Is it clear about second one or any doubt? If you say clear, I'll go for next question.
Clear, sir.
Right. Now, can you tell me the third question? Anyone? Third one is question.
Sin pi by 14,
Pi by
14
14.
into sin 3 pi by 14,
Okay, 3, 5, pi by 14 sine.
5 pi by 14,
Okay.
like that till 13 pi by 14, sir.
Odd multiple of 5 by 14.
Yes, sir, till 13 pi by 14.
Okay, right. Okay, this is equal to what? Yes or no? This is the given question. Okay, students, see here. Shall I write your sine 13 pi by 14 as sine of pi minus pi by 14? What is it equal to? Shall I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I write this value is pi minus 3 pi by.
So then 11 pi equal to 3 pi, 5 pi equal to 9 pi.
Okay, shall I write 9 pi as pi minus 5 pi by 14? We can write now. So remaining value as it is. Sin pi by 14, sin 3 pi by 14, sin 5 pi by 14. Right, see, first one, last one will be same. What is sin 180 minus theta? Sin 180 minus theta. Since we know that sin 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. With the help of this, last three are in the form of pi minus theta, sin pi minus theta, sin pi minus theta, pi minus theta. This is equal to, yeah, first one, last one is same. These two will be same. These two will be same. Shall I write here sin pi by 14, sin 3 pi by 14, sin 5 pi by 14, the whole square? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
After that, I want to do one thing here. Is there any formula like in terms of sine? No, there is no formula, but there is a formula in terms of cos. Cos, what is the formula there? Cos theta. Yesterday we have seen that cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, so on. Cos power 2 power n minus 1 theta is equal to, already we have seen that sine 2 power n theta by 2 power n into sine theta. Did you remember this? We used this formula also in one or two questions. Okay, so there is a formula here. in terms of cos, but here we got in terms of sine. Can you change this value in terms of cos? Shall I write sine as cos 90 minus pi by 14? Students, cos
Yes, sir.
90 minus 3 pi by 14, cos 90 minus theta pi by 14 whole square. Yeah, simplify this. All of you simplify. What about this after simplifying? Cos, yes, pi by 2 minus pi by 14 value.
6 pi by 14, sir. That is
Nothing but
3 pi 7.
3.
Pi by 7.
Okay, 3 pi by 7. Okay, 3 pi by 7. And
Into cos 2 pi by 7.
cos 2
Pi by 7.
okay,
To cos
So-
5 by 7 you will get, sir.
cos pi by 7, huh?
Yes, sir. The
Whole square. See, is it satisfying the property? See, okay, here theta coefficient is 1. So here 1. Theta coefficient is 2. Okay, here 2. Next to theta coefficient is 4, but here we are having 3. Can we apply this formula? Okay, first I want to write cos pi by 7. Okay. Cos 2 into pi by 7. Okay. Cos, shall I write 4 pi by 7? Is cos 3 pi by 7? Shall I write it like this? Because what is cos 180 minus theta? I want to write like this.
Cos theta.
When it, shall I write here? Minus cos theta. Okay, what about this value? Cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta actually. Minus cos 7 here 4 pi by 7.
So minus cos theta is equal to cos theta, sir. It's a even function.
Yeah, why I have written plus here directly? This value equal to this.
If we square
It's in
it,
square.
Whole square, sir.
Whole square is there, so that I have written positive, so that these two will be same. Cos 3 pi by 7 can be written as cos of pi minus this. Okay. Anyhow, you can take minus here plus here. Anyhow, we'll get the like that. Minus here, minus nothing but minus. Okay, students. So I have written. Now you can apply the property. Here, theta value is what? Theta value clearly pi by 7. See here, this is theta, theta, theta. So finally, what is the n value, student? N value?
2, sir.
N value is not 2, it is 1. N value not to 3, it is 3, not. See here, I will write. Why I am telling you that we have to write cos theta. Cos means pi by 7. Cos of 2 times of pi by 7. So on cos of LHS we can represent 4 can be written as 2 square. Am I right? 4 can be 2 square. But
2 power 3 minus 1.
exactly, LHS is 2 power n minus 1 is there. N minus 1 can be written as 4 can be 2 square. 2 square is 3 minus 1 into theta. Theta means what? Pi by 7.
7.
Whole square. So what about RHS? RHS is n. N value is 3. Substitute n.
Sine 8 theta.
Sine 2 cube theta by 2 cube sine theta.
Say 2 cube theta, sir.
Sir, theta we can substitute now, sir, pi by 7.
Sine
8
8
theta
theta by
by 8 sin theta.
options they given. Okay, but options they given some values. Students, what can we say that we are 8 theta values? Sorry,
Theta equal to pi by 7.
substitute. Right. Now substitute theta value. Correct. Substitute here theta value. Theta value is 8 pi by 7 pi by 7. Okay. So student here, oh, sorry, I forgot to write the whole square. Don't forget to write whole square. Okay, whole square is there. Is there, shall I cancel these two directly? Is there both will be same or not? Since sine, okay, look at here. 8 pi by 7. Shall I write here sine 8 pi by 7 as sine
Minus sin pi by
pi
7.
minus pi by 7? Pi plus, sorry, plus here. 5 plus pi by 7. What is sine pi plus pi by 7? Minus sine.
Minus sin pi by 7, sir.
Anyhow, substitute here minus pi by 7. So bracket minus sine pi by
Minus
7.
pi by 7 by 8 into sin pi by 7. We can cancel it, sir.
Whole
Minus
square
8,
cancel. Minus square means 1
1
by
by
6.
64, sir.
That's all.
First option, sir.
First time. Once again, it is simple. What I have done, given question, indirectly first and last will be same. This will be same. Am I right? Till 13 they given. No? See, the middle term is there. Whatever this middle term actually?
Sir, one, sir, no
1,
problem.
sir.
No problem. Yeah. Okay.
If
Like
there
that.
is any other value, we need to do again, sir.
Huh?
If it had been any other value, we need to
Another
do
value
again.
it is a problem. Surely here pi by 7 pi by 14 is there. We got pi by 2. So sometimes we may get 45. Not this question. So you should be observe middle term also. Very important. So I have written like whole square. After that I converted into in terms of cos. Here cos 3 pi by 7 we got. I converted into 4 pi by 7. So this is belongs to a standard formula. Okay, here theta value pi by 7, n value is 3. I applied that property. So finally simplified, we got 1 by 64. Is here you have any doubts? Is that clear, student? Or if you want to note down, you can note down. Otherwise, I'll be share these notes in your class. Yes. Bhupesh, understood.
Yes, sir.
Francis, what about you?
Yes, sir, understood.
Right. Sri Sahana, what about you, Amma? Sri Sahana,
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Fine, Amma. Right. Shall I proceed for next question?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next question. Yesterday we have done this with by substituting some theta value, but generally, how to do? Substitute sine 3 theta formula. We know that sine 3 theta is
3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta.
yeah, exactly. Fourth one is question is sine 3 theta minus, tell me question, sin theta into sin square 2 theta whole divided by
Sin theta plus sin 2 theta cos theta.
okay, right. Here simple sin 3 theta formula is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta minus sin theta is there. What is sin 2 theta formula? Anyone?
2
Shall I
sin
write
theta, 2 sin is only.
sin theta cos theta whole square? Shall I write whole square? Because sin
4
square,
sin square theta cos square theta.
yeah, 4 sin square theta cos square theta, right? 2 sin theta cos theta into cos theta, it is in denominator. When I simplify here,
2 sin theta cos square theta. In the
3 sin
denominator.
theta, okay, 4 sin cube theta minus here 2 becomes 4 sin cube theta into cos square theta. Am I right? By sin theta denominator 2 sin
2
theta
sin theta cos square theta.
So we
cos
can
square
take sin theta common in denominator method.
sin.
Theta,
We can take common, sir, in both.
Okay, sin theta take common. Then remaining is 3 minus 4
4
sin
sin
square
square theta minus 4 sin square theta cos square theta.
all divided by again denominator also sin theta common.
Sin theta into 1 plus 2 cos square theta.
2 cos square theta. Right.
Sin theta cancel, sir.
This cancel and how can you simplify next?
So 4 sin
Okay,
square theta we take common. 3
okay.
minus
Take 4 sin square theta. Okay.
so we
Remaining
can
is
take 2 cos square theta 1 plus cos 2 theta.
we got as 1
1
plus
plus cos
cos
square theta.
1 plus cos square theta by
1 plus
then
cos square theta plus cos square.
yes, next.
So we know that 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus
Sir,
cos 2 theta.
sir, sin square theta we can write it as 1 minus cos square theta.
Okay, here it's better we'll do like this because it should not be cancel anything. Again, it is a problem. What I want to do, as you said, you do one thing. This cos sin square will be there now. This sin square I want to change into cos terms because denominator we having cos square. Shall I write here? This as 1 minus cos square theta minus 4 sin square theta cos square theta. Now, okay, I have written the sin square theta as 1 minus cos square. Now it is very easy to simplify. 3 minus 4 minus it minus
Plus
plus 4 cos square theta minus
minus
4 sin square
cos square.
cos square theta. Now what is the
Sir,
common in these two?
square theta also.
This is minus 1. Okay, I want to take minus 4 cos square theta or a plus 4 cos square theta only you can take common.
1 plus sin square theta, sir.
Right?
So we can write as 1 minus cos.
1 minus sin square theta.
1 minus sin square theta value is?
Cos square theta.
Okay. Shall I write 1 minus sin square theta here? Plus 4 cos square theta if you take 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin square is clearly. Denominator is what? Denominator I didn't write here. 1 plus 2 cos square theta. 1 plus 2 cos square theta. So this is, see what about here? Minus 1 plus 4 cos square theta into cos square theta by 1 plus 2 cos square theta. Student, here 4 cos square theta. Why don't write here 2 cos square theta whole square, this 4 cos square theta cos 4 theta. Shall
Yes,
I
sir.
write like that?
Yes, sir.
minus 1 by 2
1
cos
plus
square theta plus 1. Numerator, shall I write like this? A square minus b square. Formula?
2 square theta minus 1 final answer.
Yes, exactly. 2 cos square theta plus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. 2 cos square theta plus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. A plus b into a minus b by 2 cos square theta plus 1. See what I have done? I have applied here a square minus b square formula. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into. Now here we can easily cancel these two.
Sir, 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta, sir. So
Why?
cos, that is one formula, sir.
That cos 2 theta directly formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is directly cos 2 theta. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Directly it is a formula, so that I have written cos 2 theta. But this is formula I have written since. But here I am taking LHS.
Cos 2 theta is equal to cos x, sir. So x is equal to 2 theta.
Yeah, I'm taking here LHS. This LHS value I simplified. Finally, we got is cos 2 theta is equal to cos x. Then when we compare here, x is equal to what? 2 theta. So even yesterday also we got the same answer, second option. Once again, student, when we want to simplify here, I applied sine 3 theta formula. I substituted sine 3 theta. Sine 3 theta is 3 sine theta 4 sine 2 theta. After that, sine theta into sine 2 theta formula is 2 sine theta cos theta whole square. Then again, here again I substituted sine 2 theta formula 2 sine theta cos theta into cos theta. Then after we got 3 sine theta. Like sine theta is common in all the functions. So numerator and denominator I am taking and cancelling. The sine square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square, because in denominator we are having only cos square theta. So then after we'll get like this. When I multiply with minus 4, we get 3 minus 4 into 1 minus 4 minus into minus plus 4 cos square theta. So again 4 cos square theta is common here. 4 cos square theta, 4 cos square theta. Take common. 1 minus sin square theta value is clearly cos square theta. Cos square theta. Then this 4 cos power 4 you will get, that can be written as 2 cos square theta whole square. This term can be written as like this. It is in the form of a square minus b square. The formula is a plus b into a minus b. Get cancelled. Finally we got cos 2 theta. Since we know that cos 2 theta formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Final x value is 2 theta. Clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.